Good afternoon, champion entrepreneurs. We took a while to go live, about 2.5 minutes. You know why? We were powdering ourselves. Because you know what? This is an inaugural show of an entrepreneur genius called as the Entrepreneur Genius Talks of Entrepreneur Social, which is the community event where entrepreneurs come together, get perspective, collaborate consciously, network with intent, get entrepreneur rub off positivity, and move on. So we have Entrepreneur Social coming up tomorrow. The one social event happens every month. It's tomorrow. That's the Friday, the 27th of June. You will know that in the Facebook comment post, which will be posted by our team. Do log in and do come there. And that Entrepreneur Social for the last 2.5 years has celebrated so many countless entrepreneurs. And today, in our inaugural Entrepreneur Genius Talk, it's my pleasure, Suresh Menon, Value Additions Sales and Marketing Private Limited, where we focus on creating predictable business growth. And thanks to the auspices of Mustard Seed, co-founded by Deepa Thomas and Anil Thomas, who made Entrepreneur Social a reality, so many entrepreneurs today are sticking together and making it count when it matters most, when uncertainty has become a certainty, and there is words like new normal which are being used, which we never thought would be happening in our lifetime. With that, it's my pleasure to tell you that this entrepreneur event, this Entrepreneur Genius Talk, which I am part of, I am with an MBA grad. No. I am with an MBA grad. No. I am with a lawyer, LLB grad. No. I am with a king. I am with a king. Somebody who's got royalty. Somebody who's got royalty. I took a break because of why a lawyer. He is all of this, but he is a technically sound mechanical guy who makes safes and all of those lockers. Amazing, isn't it? It's my pleasure, privilege, and honor to welcome aboard on this inaugural first Entrepreneur Genius Talk, Rahul Tank, the CEO and the co-director, marketing head of Triveta, the brand which he will talk about passionately. He is a steel genius. It is that genius of Rahul that we're going to celebrate today. For some of you wondering, what is this genius all about? Well, it's not about Rahul decided that he's like Newton or he's Archimedes and he says Eureka. It's the genius which he found because in today's world, entrepreneurs look to the right, they look to the left, they look upwards, they look downwards because they want to come out of this challenge. But the magic which Rahul got was to look inwards. And when he looked inward, he found his genius, and that made all the difference. With that description, and what does genius mean? How can you be a part of the Genius program? All of you wonderful entrepreneurs who are watching this show live, please look at the comment section. We will give a link to you. It's absolutely a gift to you, entrepreneurs. Give the test. You will understand your genius. What has to be done next? Write to us. Come to Entrepreneur Social tomorrow, and we will tell you how to understand your genius. But for now, look at the link and give your test whenever you can, and make sure that you understand what your genius is. There are 4 types of genius which will come on the slide at the end of this show. But right now, it's all about Rahul. Rahul, hi. Welcome aboard.
Hi, Suresh. How are you?
Can you hear me, Rahul? Hi.
Hi,
I've a lot of time to actually describe you. And I'm sure that I've done justice to describing you because you're an entrepreneur genius. So tell me more about you and your business, Rahul. Over to you.
Suresh, thank you for having me here. I'm Rahul Tank, co-founder and chief marketing and operations head of Triveta, the brand. Triveta being a different word here, but we are into furniture market. We are basically into manufacturing business, manufacturing of safe lockers, furnitures, office furnitures, raking systems, and everything. To describe myself in a nutshell, I have been working into financial service company. I'm a law graduate. I'm a banking insurance graduate. I work across a lot of processes and a lot of businesses. I started my career in 2009, and after 2009, after working with an MNC as a fund accountant, and finally I decided to join my family business, which is more than 6 decades old. So it's like a complete turnaround for me, right from accounting to technical marketing and operations of the business.
True entrepreneur. And I was talking to Rahul as we prepared for this talk. It was amazing to find that during this pandemic, his business is stable, predictable. And let's know more about it as we go along. But for that, I will not do a rapid fire. This is not like a film show of rapid fire. I'm going to do a slow fire because everything which Rahul says now in this slow fire round will probably create that magic, that perspective for any entrepreneur who is watching this show. So let me start slow fire slowly. And the first question, Rahul, what is your USP, your unique selling point?
Suresh, as a business, I would tell you that my company, we are into innovative and quality product manufacturing. So we customize our product as per our client's requirement. We are OEM in the sense we are original equipment manufacturers. So we have a strong and a sound background, a manufacturing base that is more than 6 decades old. But as an entrepreneur, if you ask me, I would simply say that I'm a mechanic. Now we will ask me what is a mechanic. We both have attended the well dynamic classes of Anil sir. So
Right.
basically, like I am like into, if you give me a process or a product, I'll try to improvise it. I will try to find a new way, a creative way to do the thing in a different way. So that's my
Absolutely.
USP that has worked for me for this many years, past years.
Man, fantastic. So champion entrepreneurs watching this show, here you're talking of something which is not theoretical. Here you're actually seeing an entrepreneur whose genius is unfolding in front of us live. He talks about him being a steel genius, him being a mechanic, which is a pathway which we will talk about in the course of the discussion. And he says how, by applying that logic and that science, business is stable, is in control of his ship. And which makes me ask the next question in the slow fire round. Rahul, what has been your failure?
Failure, I would say that in 2015, as a business, we tried to switch to new product and business model. That was a biggest failure. All I could say कि हमारे लिए बहुत ही बड़ा और महंगा सबक था ये. I'll tell you how. 2015, we incepted the brand Triveta. I and my father, we co-founded the brand Triveta. We were OEM, original equipment manufacturer. So what we did is we directly went into the market with all our new products, our monopoly products, and our unique products. We knew the product, we knew the market, we knew everything, but we could not achieve our targets as planned. And that was because we realized that we tried to break the ecosystem and the chain that we have created over the years since 1955. What is it? What was our mistake? First, we eliminated all our distributors and dealers. We went in the market, but we were not able to convince people that we are a new identity, we are not a new entity together. We were not able to convince people that we are 65 years old, we are aged decades old, and Triveta is just a new name, but not a new person. So as soon as we realized our mistake, so what we did is we again went to our dealers and distributors. We went to them, we sat with them, we made them explain that this is our problem and this is what we did. We went wrong. We apologized. There were distributors who happily helped us. They told that no worries, we are selling lot many brands. Triveta is a new brand, a new product in our portfolio. So that's a new addition to our product. So we were happy. Finally, we decided to go with the distributorship model. We are today, if you ask me today, yes, Triveta is a brand with a different identity, with a different market, and we are independent in the market. But yes, we are holding our roots. We are taking that dealership module seriously, and we are not at all letting it go. So that is the reason I told you, even you know that our business in such a pandemic time is still stable. We are luxury brand makers, luxury product makers, but we are not worried about our sales because we know the fact We know the situation, we know everything is temporary, and by in time everything will go smooth. So this is our biggest failure and biggest lesson that we learned.
Fantastic. So, as the audience, wonderful being here. We are in discussion with this genius entrepreneur, and I was just looking to myself, and for a moment I lost out some words which Rahul said because I wasn't thought how well is an entrepreneur celebrating failure, celebrating mistakes. It's part of the journey. It's part of the fact that he understands he's a genius called steel. Mistakes happen. He looks at it scientifically. He looks at it mechanically, methodically, and moves on. So the way he communicated about failure was so very absolutely logical without having a guilt pang or saying, "Arey, galti kyun ho gaya yaar, nahi hona tha." None of those. It's part of the process of an entrepreneur. That's the perspective which I got from Rahul, the way he connected and he communicated his failure. Before I ask Rahul about his achievement, he already mentioned the fact that he came out of failure and that was an achievement. We'll ask him for one more achievement. And see, as I ask Rahul, and before he answers, I need to again tell all of you, we are now in the Entrepreneur Genius Talks inaugural session. We are live now on Facebook, and we are talking of the genius of an entrepreneur. Any entrepreneur who wants to understand what is their genius, what is it that their true capability is can do so by giving the My Genius test. The link is there in the comment box. Give your test and come to us. We will give you a debriefing absolutely as a gift. One. Secondly, be a part of the entrepreneur social movement, which celebrates the genius of an entrepreneur. Like we're doing, one of the things is Entrepreneur Genius Talks. We have the month of June entrepreneur social event happening tomorrow at 4 o'clock. The link is given. Check in there, register. It's a matter of 2 hours, but the perspective might change. Thank you. That was about the My Genius and Entrepreneur Social event. I come back to our man of the moment, the king, royalty, the lawyer, the banker, the MBA grad turned mechanic who's making nuts and bolts. The banda who makes his hand wet. The white collar guy who became blue collar, right? So let me ask Rahul Tang. Rahul, what is your achievement that you feel happy about?
I would say my failure, the lesson that I learned from my failure is my biggest achievement.
Fantastic.
So today, if you ask me from 2015 till 2020, today, if I see my achievements, we have incepted a brand Triveta. We have a different identity. We came up with new products. All the thing is that it's a, what I would say is that it's a 3-generation old business. So with, this is a world of digitalization. Everyone is expecting something new. So again, I had to think that I have a same product, वही पुराना सेफ है, वही पुराना कबर्ड है, वही पुराना फाइलिंग कैबिनेट है, वही स्टोरेज मटेरियल है, लेकिन उसको नया इम्प्रूवाइज कैसे करना है. तो वी एडेड दैट स्पार्क ऑफ डिजिटलाइजेशन इन इट. सो टुडे इफ यू आस्क मी कि भाई आप क्या कुछ डिफरेंट करते हो, आई वुड से दैट व्हाट इफ आई गिव यू अ सेफ दैट sends you a message and gives you a call when you open it. What if you can operate your safe with a mobile? What if you can operate a digital safe that does not have an interface? दिखने में आपको मैकेनिकल दिखेगा, but it's actually digital.
Right.
What if I say you that you have an office desk, and when you sit on an office desk, you press a button and that office desk comes to a level of height that you expected, that you have set. So that is the comfort level, that is the digitalization that we are going through. So I would say that is our success, that we reinvent our products again and again as per the current market and scenario. So that's
Absolutely.
a big achievement.
Great. So I was going to ask Rahul the next last round of the slow fire question round. What is your innovation? And he answered this. He answered this by saying Rahul's achievement is of innovating consistently and frequently. Innovation is the name of the game. So by asking him a question, what are your innovations, may not be relevant at all, because the fact remains that achievement for him is continuous innovation. Moving from actual digital brick and mortar to e-format to digital format is in itself a great market. And guys, here we are talking to somebody who is a manufacturer who is not in essential services. And you see him here. He's not in essential services. He doesn't make sanitizers and disinfectants and face masks and N95s and all of that that they bless us with, which we really appreciate. Here we see a manufacturer who is a non-essential, but yet in control, just because he connected with his genius and got his pathway. And that ends the slow fire question round. I go to the next section, which says about pathway. So let me ask Rahul. Rahul, you are a steel genius and you said you are a mechanic. That is your wealth profile. So tell me something. How relevant has been the fact that you understood your genius, and how has it created a flow for you, a business flow for you in your actual business? How have you implemented in your day-to-day business life, knowing your genius and your wealth profile?
Suraj, I would say that the basic thing that all successful people do is SWOT analysis. They try to understand their strengths and weaknesses and try to look within and try to improvise. So I would again refer it to the well dynamic classes. Absolutely, what we say, eye opener for me. So over the years, I have learned that when I used to work as an accountant, I used to think that this is a 8 hours job works. How can I do it in 4 hours? So when I come into the business, I was like into a technical world, completely different from accounting. There is no accounting, there is no kind of servicing thing. Everything is technical. One slight mistake and you are gone. There is absolute loss. So what I can do differently? So every step I understood that what kind of a person I am. I'm not an Einstein. I cannot invent things, but I can reinvent them. So what I did is I had one thing that we were doing from ages to ages. Now what different I can do with that? So that thing has helped me today, even in the current situation. You say there's pandemic going on. We know everything that new normal is nothing normal is a new normal. So for me, I'm very calm right now because I know I'm a luxury product maker. From till December, I'm not going expecting any kind of sales or any kind of high expectations or high targets. So I know it very well that till that time, what I have to do is I have to keep innovating. I have to keep thinking differently. I have to make things that are different, make different strategies, try to align the process, try to simplify things, try to come out with new innovative things, cost efficient, value for money things. And then when the markets are okay, which are going to be okay, this is everything temporary. When markets are going to be okay, we will flourish. We will grow.
Right, and like you are absolutely innovating consistently, like you told in the pre-interview discussion that we had, that while doing so, you have kept your demand chain, your dealers and your OEMs
Yeah.
absolutely well oiled, and
Yeah.
you're ready. They are ready, and you are ready. So your entire system has been made based on the genius and the pathway. Tell us more about your dealers and the OEMs and why that takes away the pressure from you in a small way without giving your secret out.
I would again say मैं बनिए का कैलकुलेशन बताऊंगा आपको.
बराबर.
Simple logic.
Right.
What mistake we generally do is I am a manufacturer. If I go and sell in the market, how much product will I sell?
Right.
If you ask any big brand to go and sell in the product in the market directly, how much will they sell? But I have hundreds of dealers in the city itself.
Right. Oh.
I have more than 500 dealers across the country. So if even one person sells just one product
Right.
every month,
Right.
I know 500 products are going to be out of my company for sure. I have to
Fantastic.
just make sure that that demand or minimum demand is there. And when there is a minimum demand or a maximum demand, the proper supply is there.
Fantastic.
So as a mechanic, I have to make sure that I keep a good tap, I keep a good relationship with my trader, with the deal maker. So
Absolutely.
that's the simple thing that I can explain.
Fantastic. So, guys, when Rahul says he's a mechanic, let me tell for the sake of people who have not followed or just joined in new, he is not talking of being an automobile mechanic. He's talking of mechanic being a wealth profile, which gave him the pathway to make sure that he has got a dealer network and an OEM network who take away his stress. He's in the flow of his business. He doesn't have to struggle, even though the pandemic times, slowdown times. And that he got because he's a steel genius. Before I ask Rahul about his mission and goal for this year ahead, I can just ask Rahul. Rahul, where is your factory located? And are you back to work, or are you?
We had started, but our factories are located at Vasai and Malad, and they are onto containment zones, so they are closed till 30th again.
Okay. So the unlock 1.0 became again lockdown 6.0, I think 5.0. Right. Great. So Rahul, your mission and the goal for this year, 2021. I know it's odd to say what mission and goal are. We're uncertain times, but it gives me a lot of energy and focus to ask that so confidently to somebody like you who's so assured because you identify your genius. What is your mission and goal for this year, 2021?
Suraj, our mission for 2021 is to just make sure that we increase our brand goodwill. We want to make sure our presence is there. We want to make sure our product is there, quality product is there. because this being uncertain time now, everyone is into budgeting, everyone is into like, people now understand that we should, even if we buy one product, we should make sure it's a quality product, so that in future we do not need to buy it again and again. This is a temporary phase, so this is
Right.
a opportunity for us in adversity. So our mission for 2021 is to make sure that we achieve a good brand goodwill, we achieve a good brand market capitalization for the year, and our goal will be simply through our dealer network or distribution network. It will be like a proper sales and planned as per planned. So that's our mission and goal for 2021. Nothing high, nothing too extraordinary, but keep it simple.
Got you. So, Rahul, as you speak about the fact, option, and the goal, that's what we wish you all the very best to move on. And as we come to the last point on this of this amazingly engaging discussion, wherein it is Rahul Tank, the steel genius on the mechanic profile, who knows his pathway, who spoke to us. Amazing to know this entrepreneur. I'm sure you've inspired a lot of us, continue to inspire a lot of us. And let me then leave you with this request. If we were to give a message, and you know what? Entrepreneurship, we don't have to be legends and Namchin Log to give messages. We have leaders within our own fold, like you are one of us. It's a great honor to understand and learn from you. What message would you give fellow entrepreneurs, irrespective of whatever business they are into? What is a message that you feel you can give to fellow entrepreneurs?
Suresh, as a message, I would just suggest them that I believe that a businessman or an entrepreneur or a professional should always find a way to work in collaboration instead of finding ways to compete. Try to be creative with the things that you have, or try the old school ways. Current situation is temporary, but your actions and its implications are going to be permanent. So think around, think out of the box. The chaos in the market that we see likely today, collaboration will help us bring stability. Everyone has a genius in him or her. Just find a way, train yourself, improvise, learn, collaborate, and you will definitely grow. That's what I would say. That find a way of collaborative working, find a way around. Something will work. You will find opportunities in adversities for sure.
Thank you, Rahul. And before I give you the grand thank you, let me take on what Rahul said. He said, find a way of collaborating, find a way of working together. And how do we do that? By giving the genius test. How do we do that? By clicking on the link. How much time does it take? Not more than 4 minutes. Do the link. It's a gift from Entrepreneur Social to all of you who have come on the Entrepreneur Social Facebook page. Understand what your genius is. We shall debrief you and tell you what does that mean. Like Rahul found out the steel genius and got his flow, got his collaboration, got his pathway, got his mission and goal in place. Similarly, any one of us can. What looks like impossible suddenly becomes possible. So do look at the link of the My Genius test, give the test, and come to Entrepreneur Social tomorrow, register in the link given below, and come there and understand your flow. It's a mission of Entrepreneur Social, which I thank Deepa Thomas and Anil Thomas, the founders of Mustard Seed, for making sure that Entrepreneur Social grew from one person walking in on the first event when it happened 2.5 years ago to over 100 entrepreneurs coming in, whether it's a tribe, community, or citizens, into every Entrepreneur Social event every month. One of them happening tomorrow is a must attend, when we are having the CEO and the founder of CleverTap, right from Silicon Valley, Sunil Thomas, who is addressing us. And then we're going to have breakout rooms with networking with intent, with collaborating consciously, with the genius test being given, a debriefing opportunity where each and every entrepreneur will get to know how to handle their genius like Rahul did, right? So with that, it's my pleasure to thank Rahul for coming on board and being so crisp and clear and sharing with us without any complication in times of change. It was not motivation. It was not a talk of pepping up. It was clear, concise, focused discussion which made a lot of sense. With that, I have to thank Mustard Seed, Entrepreneur Social, the entire movement, and Rahul Tank for having this wonderful event. And we're exactly at the threshold of 16:29 hours. We are on time. like entrepreneurs know a way of being on time every time and getting it done. With that, this is Suresh Menon, the Blaze Genius, signing off, saying bye to Rahul, the Steel Genius, till we meet again tomorrow. And hi to all of the geniuses who are watching the show. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. We're going to go off soon. Stay in good health. Stay safe. Give your genius test. Come to Entrepreneur Social tomorrow. It's a gift. It will make a world of a difference. Thank you.
Thank you, Suresh.